There are currently more than 20,000 different cryptocurrencies in circulation, which means that the total number of crypto coins is more than 3 times the number of stocks that are listed on US exchanges. Outside of the most well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin, it is next to impossible to monitor all of the major movers in the cryptocurrency market due to the enormous amount of supply that exists. The rise in the number of new currencies occurred during a large bull market for the sector in 2021. However, the area is facing challenges as a result of Bitcoin's collapse of more than 50% from its high point in November. The Ethereum Merge is quickly approaching, and with it will come to a price increase for many cryptocurrencies, as well as a decrease for many others. This video investigates the leading cryptocurrencies that should be sold before the merge occurs and presents its findings. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto World. In today's video, we are going to talk about the top cryptocurrencies to sell before the Ethereum Merge. So stay with us till the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of this information. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell symbol so that you don't miss out on any of our wonderful videos in the future. And let's get started. Theta. In the meantime, T-Fuel has its own stake on the Theta Edge network, which is the decentralized data storage and sharing blockchain network that is the primary driver of value for the entire project. Users are able to publish and exchange video content, including live streams, without the need for any centralized server to be involved because to this network. The payoff for this bet is similarly measured in terms of T-Fuel. The Edge network is capable of supporting a number of different entertainment applications, such as Theta.tv, which can be accessed on Samsung mobile devices by using the program known as Samsung Daily. Users are rewarded with T-Fuel for sharing their unused bandwidth, which results in a reduction in the cost of sharing content with other users. The fact that users can spend T-Fuel to gain access to content within the applications that are supported contributes to the value of the token. Filecoin. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that has the stated mission of storing humanity's most critical information. The project raised $205 million in an initial coin offering (ICO) in 2017, and the launch date was once set for the middle of 2019. Despite this, the original launch date for the Filecoin mainnet has been moved back to block 148,888, which is anticipated to occur around the middle of October 2020. The project was initially referred to as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, which is a peer-to-peer storage network. This description was first made in 2014. IOTA. The very reason why investors in cryptocurrencies are interested in selling IOTA is because they may want to explore selling IOTA in exchange for a new coin that has more excitement and potential. If this is the case for you as well, then you should move on with it. There is no assurance that the future of IOTA and the growth of IoT technology will be as bright as current predictions might lead you to assume it will be. Despite the fact that both look good, there are no assurances. IOTA's future course could be influenced by a wide variety of unforeseeable external events, such as a significant sell-off of cryptocurrencies or a recession followed by a market crash. Even while the long-term forecast for IOTA seems to be optimistic, it is essential to acknowledge that an investor's judgment might be clouded by the fear of missing out on opportunities. Remember that cryptocurrency is a risky investment, and that you stand a good chance of seeing none of the money that you put into it. IOTA could be an interesting choice for a small piece of a cryptocurrency portfolio, but only if you have a strong interest in Internet of Things technology and a good understanding of the risks involved. Before making any investments, you might want to talk things over with a financial expert. Ripple. Ripple is often regarded as a superior alternative to Bitcoin at this time. Its potential to scale and maintain liquidity have garnered the attention of people from all over the world. It should be sold off before it is too late because it has a tendency to have short-lived bull cycles in which it marks up in price, followed by a lengthier bear cycle. This fact sheds light on why it should be sold off before it is too late. Litecoin. On the cryptocurrency market, Litecoin is well known for the increased transaction speed it offers as well as its scalability. It didn't take long for it to develop into one of the cryptocurrencies, and it did so very quickly. Consider selling off your Litecoin holdings if you wish to convert your winnings back into Bitcoin, USD, or another alternative cryptocurrency. EOS. The EOS network is a third-generation Layer 1 blockchain that is both low latency and highly performant. This blockchain gives developers the freedom to align what they build with what they imagine by bringing together programmable architectures, versatile blockchain infrastructures, and custom smart contracts. The technological stack of EOS and the tenacity of its community are what set it apart from other cryptocurrencies. There are several communities on the EOS network, each with active thought and strong leadership. Token holders primarily collaborate with developers and other leaders of the ecosystem in order to advance growth. The EOS community places a high importance on principles such as openness, honesty, accountability, freedom, and respect, in addition to other fundamental aspects of a blockchain. EOS is the first blockchain to have both user support and a foundation that is driven by the community. To further forward the expansion of the EOS network, token holders voted on and selected a foundation. During the same time period, a number of participants in the community launched the EOS Live Assistance for users who were already connected to the network. Yearn Financial. It should come as no surprise that Yearn Finance is an intriguing undertaking. As of right now, the token YFI has experienced a decline of over 50%, which highlights the precise fact that it ought to be sold off before it is too late to regret the decision and not be able to do anything about it afterwards. Polkadot. Polkadot is a sharded multi-chain network, which means that it is capable of processing multiple transactions on several chains simultaneously, also known as parachains. The increased scalability is a result of this parallel processing power. Using the substrate architecture, it is fast and simple to construct custom blockchains, and substrate blockchains are designed to be simple to link to Polkadot's network. The network is also very adaptable and versatile, which makes it possible for participants to share both information and functional capabilities with one another. In order to add new features or fix bugs, Polkadot can be automatically upgraded without the requirement for a separate branch to be created first. Token holders have a voice in governance decisions made by the network thanks to a highly developed and user-driven governance framework that the network has implemented. Teams are able to tailor the governance of their own blockchains on Polkadot to meet their own requirements and adapt to changing circumstances. Nominators, validators, and collators each perform a variety of tasks to assist in the protection and maintenance of the network, as well as the elimination of malicious conduct. The year 2021 came to a close with Polkadot having successfully completed its first auctions on the parachain platform. The candle auction system was used for the parachain auctions, even though permissions weren't required. The highest bid at the arbitrary point in time when the auction is over is declared the winner. Akala, Moonbeam, Astar, Parallel, and Clover were the lucky winners of auctions at Polkadot, and they were given the first 5 slots in the tournament. Guaranteed by the DOT bidders who committed themselves as collateral. These projects will have their parachain slots secured for a period of 96 weeks. As is the norm on Polkadot, all projects have been put through their paces on Kusama, the network that serves as the de facto testbed. Stellar Lumens. Stellar Lumens was a very well-liked alternative cryptocurrency a couple of years ago, but it hasn't made much progress in the intervening time, and it lagged behind Bitcoin in the run-up to $65,000 in price. As a result, selling this alternative coin makes perfect sense at this precise moment. Libra Coin. The likes of Facebook, PayPal, and MasterCard were among the first major companies to begin using Libra Coin, which contributed to the cryptocurrency's meteoric ascent to prominence. However, taking into consideration the current state of the market, Libra Coin would likely fetch a higher price if it were sold. And that's it for today, guys. We sincerely hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions or comments, please share them with us in the comment space below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see even more of our incredible videos. You can also check out our other videos that have been specially selected for you. We'll catch up in the next video.